Well, welcome, guys. Why do you think you're here today? Are you so scared?
I have no idea.
I don't really know.
Yeah.
Okay, you don't know. That's a beautiful place to be. I have no idea what you can do today. So thank you for being here. That shows me, one, that you're courageous and a little bit of risk takers. And those are things that we're gonna work with. So I know you're eating your lunch, but I've heard from several of the people who work here at Chess that you guys like to interact and that you maybe like to be a little loud. And so we're gonna work with that today. Does anyone need a piece of paper? Does everyone have a piece of paper?
I don't have it.
Oh my gosh, you were right. All right, we got paper coming your way, and you have a writing utensil.
No. We can go and get them from
So there's some right here. So that. Yeah, I put it. Alright, we're gonna have a little thing here.
Alright.
It is going to favor the imaginative.
Wait, no, have a. Sorry. Thank you. I need one too.
Wipe the recording.
Thank you.
Sure. Good day. Alright. This game has very little rules. I'm going to say one word, and you're going to write as much as you possibly can about it. Whoever writes the most wins the round. Are you ready?
The most words are like, what are we, just like?
You can do a word, a phrase, and like I said, it doesn't necessarily have to connect. It could be something personal to you.
Does it have to do with that word?
It is whatever comes into your mind. So it's like a brainstorm activity. The first word, the first word is work. Five seconds. 2, 1, done. Pencil down. All right, what you got? Quantity. Who's got a count of their quantity? What'd you get?
How many?
Yeah.
Does it count if you got like half of a word?
Sure. I'll be generous. Here we go.
10.
10? All right, that's 25 seconds worth of thinking. What else?
I have 6.
I have 6.
I got 6.
I got 11.
11. Ooh, mischief. What about you?
I've got 14.
Oh my word. All right, so we got some brainy people. All right, we got another one. The next word is team. Five seconds. 2, 1. And put it down. All right, who got more than 10 this time?
I got the 10.
You got it.
I got 10.
All right. We're gonna do one more and then we're gonna debrief. What is about that?
You're supposed to be like writing these in list form or.
Whatever you want. There are no rules. All right, the next word is college. Five seconds. Pencil down. All right, how many did you get?
I only got 8.
I only got 8. 13.
Woo, very good. All right, so now let's talk about the content of the words that you have written.
Oh, sorry, Miss Jenny. I was going to just ask about the kids online, if we could get their word count. Sorry to interrupt.
Yes. So Noah, I think, is the only one who's here with us.
Yeah. For
Are
work,
you-
for the work I got 4 for work. The second one I got help, support, encourage. I got 6, and then I got 8.
Okay, so improving each time. Nice, Noah. So going back to our first word of work, what were some of the things you wrote down?
Dedication.
Dedication. Come write these.
Job.
Very good.
Willingness.
Willingness.
Well, we're just like supposed to write down like random words because I wrote like sentences like about that.
Sure, it's whatever, it's open to interpretation. What else?
Conference.
Comfort, okay.
Oh. Effort.
Effort, what else?
Police.
Police, okay. Did anyone like put down like types of jobs?
This is the word I put down.
This is for work, yep.
I kind of did like firefighter, president.
Cool. The types of work that you can do, the level of work you can bring to school work. All right, what about for team? What does that look like?
Cooperation.
Cooperation.
Communicate.
Communicate.
Encouraging.
Encouraging. Yeah. Oh,
Work.
work, okay.
Respect.
Respect. How's around in the back too?
Manage.
Manage. Okay. So have y'all been on a lot of teams since being at Chess?
Yes.
No? All right, well, I know there's a lot of opportunities here for you. All right, what about for the last one? What was the word? College, what did you get?
That was stressful.
Stressful, what else?
No clue.
No clue, what else? Studying. Studying.
Opportunity.
Opportunity.
Future.
Future. Okay.
Degree.
Degree.
Learn.
Learn. We hope so, right?
New.
New. Okay, how close are you guys to college, or if you're interested in college?
2 years.
2 years. All right, we're gonna do one more. And now that you know what it's like to do this a little bit, you can get a little more creative in your brain too. You can talk about or write down a memory, write down something that maybe isn't look like what your neighbor is writing down as well. So your word, you have 33 seconds. Your word is Gen Z. Three, two, one. All right, what was it like to do that one? Just giggle.
It's our turn.
Our license. It is. Gen Z. All right, what about quantity? 10 words.
8.
8 words.
4.
4 words. Okay.
12. 7.
12, 7. So we're in flux a little bit. Someone's still behind 9. What
Noah,
about you, Noah?
yeah.
You're muted, bud.
He's looking.
I got 7.
Okay. What were your words? Can you start us out?
I had tech. And I had I had like questioning of identity.
Ooh.
I had maturing I had,
Very cool.
What was that last word, Noah?
Or you can type them in the chat too. Yeah. Alright, so while he's doing that, what were some of the words you want to share?
Pressure.
Pressure,
Rushable.
vegetable.
Me.
You, I mean,
Complicated.
complicated,
I put problematic.
problematic,
I don't know, possibilities in the future.
possibilities in future.
I put TikTok.
TikTok, is I
Saving.
saving, what do you mean by that?
Like, a lot of people are putting pressure on our generation to be like the most far removed from like the civil rights movement and stuff like that. So there's a lot of people that are expecting us to like save like the country or whatever, and putting a lot of pressure to be like the like most accepting, like most productive generation yet. But the millennials before us, like, Gen X raising us, there's a lot of like people that are saying we're gonna be like the next like big generation to be the great. So there's a lot of pressure to be like saving the
Okay, what was your name?
True.
Drew. So Drew said, I don't know how much you guys are hearing him, but a combination of pressure to save and to maybe problem solve certain issues here with civil rights. Sorry. Hopefully you can hear that. What else? What's your most like random thing you wrote down?
Zoomers.
Zoomers. Instead of boomers? Boomers? Cool. So, just to introduce myself a little bit, my name is Jenny. It is my greatest joy to work with young people. I love Generation Z. I think that there is a lot that I'm learning even from today's young people. And I am fairly removed from you all. I'm at least 10 years older than all of you. And what I just want to talk about today is asking you guys a couple of things. How do you think people are receiving your generation right now? What do people associate with the term Gen Z?
Young.
Inexperienced.
Inexperienced.
It's mostly like underestimated.
Underestimated. If you could decide, if you could write the thesis and the summary of Gen Z, what would you want it to be known for?
Hardworking.
Hardworking.
Like good morals.
Good morals. What about you, Noah?
like learning, being able to learn.
Right. Alright, so you want to be remembered for hard work, for learning. You want to be remembered for good morals. Alright. So part of our team, and who's represented here, is actually my husband, this is Kyle. So you may have known him from over the gym. And you may recognize James here on the screen too. Something that our team seeks to do is work with young people and to help them achieve some really incredible things. So I'm going to turn our time over to James now. If you're ready, James.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Jenny. I love the words. Can you tell me when you guys talk about complicated and TikTok, what word were you hitting up against on that one? What was the word?
Complicated, I think in the back row.